3, 2, 1.
How are green plants an important part of the carbon dioxide-oxygen cycle? The answer is B. They release oxygen into the air. Which part of a plant absorbs water and nutrients from the soil? The answer is A. Roots. What is the principal cell of connective tissues? The answer is B. Fibroblasts. What is insulin primarily produced from? The answer is A. Pancreas. Which theory states that individuals make rational decisions aimed at maximizing their utility? The answer is C. Marginal utility theory. I hold power, but I can't be touched. What am I? The answer is A. A contract. What helps form the walls of internal organs such as the heart and stomach? The answer is C. Muscles. I have many lines but no paper. What am I? The answer is C. Ruler. What is the name of Mekhi Phifer's character in the movie Carmen, a hip opera? The answer is B. Derek. What is the term for dry climate regions at higher altitudes that have short grasses and low bushes? The answer is D. Steppes. Which organization was founded by Rabbi Ben Frankel in 1923? The answer is D. The Hillel Foundation. Which organism is known as the father of modern genetics? The answer is C. Gregor Mendel. Which actress has starred in both Downton Abbey and the Harry Potter series of films? The answer is C. Maggie Smith. What is the simplest unit that has the fundamental chemical properties of an element? The answer is C. Atom. Which band was Benny Andersson a member of? The answer is B. ABBA. What likely directly came from a sprouted seed? The answer is C. A jack-o'-lantern. Who wrote the Canterbury Tales, a famous work from medieval times? The answer is C. Geoffrey Chaucer. What is fragile, yet it shatters objects? The answer is A. Mirror. What incident haunts Adrian Monk in the hit TV show Monk? The answer is C. His wife's death in a car bombing. What book was written by an anonymous author? The answer is A. The Tales of Beetle the Bard. In 2005, Hilary Duff starred in a sequel to which 2003 movie of hers? The answer is C. Cheaper by the Dozen. A decrease in visibility while driving can cause people to crash their what? The answer is B. Chevy 2000s. Who recorded the 1992 song Thought I Died and Gone to Heaven? The answer is D. Bryan Adams. What activity changes the local environment the most? The answer is C. Overlogging. What year did Green Acres first air on television? The answer is D. 1965. What is the world's smallest primate? The answer is D. Tarsier. Which vitamin helps prevent scurvy? The answer is B. Vitamin C. What color does the addition of HCl to NaOH produce? The answer is A. Red. What are sensory cells? The answer is D. Specialized neurons or epithelial cells. What is biomass made into fuel called? The answer is D. Biofuel. Because the solute is moving down the concentration gradient and no input of energy is required, facilitated diffusion is considered what type of transport? The answer is D. Passive. Which artist is known as the King of Pop? The answer is C. Michael Jackson. In what movie does the main character have a friend called Bubba Blue who dreams of opening up his own shrimping business? The answer is C. Forrest Gump. What is the difference between equals and equals equals in programming? The answer is A. Assignment vs. comparison. The Dead Sea is a landlocked lake shared by which two countries? The answer is C. Lebanon and Palestine. The St. Louis Cardinals play at what stadium? The answer is C. Busch Stadium. I have many stories but no pages. What am I? The answer is A. Library. What continent is the Gobi Desert in? The answer is A. Asia. Which scientist is known for his work on DNA structure? The answer is A. Einstein. Who wrote the magazine named Quibbler in A Half-Blood Prince? The answer is D. Luna Lovegood's father. How many songs did Corey write about her ex-boyfriend Joe in the movie Say Anything? The answer is A. 65. I play by a set of rules, but I'm not a game. What am I? The answer is A. Referee. The seal of which of the following orders features two knights on a single horse? The answer is B. Knights Templar. I can be broken and used many times over again. What am I? The answer is A. Pencil. I turn back time, but cannot be wound. What am I? The answer is C. A book. Which of these Oscar-winning 2005 movies was not inspired by a real-life incident or person? The answer is D. Brokeback Mountain. Which controversial president was the target of an assassination plot that involved hijacking a commercial airliner and crashing it into the White House? The answer is B. Richard M. Nixon. I shoot projectiles but can't harm anyone. What am I? The answer is A. A laser pointer. What is a baby weasel known as? The answer is B. A kit. I'm a large, dark space between stars and galaxies. What am I?